Welcome to this quick guide on changing your Telegram channel type to private using Telegram Web on PC following the latest update. First, open Telegram Web in your browser and sign in with your account. If you're already logged in, you'll see your chats and channels on the left side. Locate the channel you want to change and click to enter its page. You'll know you're in the right spot when you can see the channel banner, members, and posts. Look toward the top of the page for the menu icon made of 3 horizontal lines. Click that icon to open a small panel with options related to your channel. This panel is where you'll access the channel settings without needing a mobile app. From the menu, select Edit to open the channel's editing screen. In this area, you'll find multiple sections for customizing your channel. Find and tap on channel type to view the available options for how your channel is distributed and who can access it. Now you'll see the choice to switch the channel type. Choose private to limit access so that only approved members can see posts and join through an invitation link. Selecting private changes the channel from public to private status, giving you more control over who subscribes. After choosing private, review any related privacy settings. You may be prompted to copy or share an invite link with specific people you want to allow to join. If your goal is to keep things exclusive, consider disabling public search or sharing restrictions to ensure your audience grows only by invitation. Once you've confirmed private as a channel type, save or confirm your changes. The update will take effect immediately, and you'll notice the channel now operates under private parameters. Members already in the channel will retain access, while new viewers will need an invitation to join. If you're planning to manage access, periodically review your invited members and revoke access if necessary. It's also a good idea to keep your channel description clear and inviting so potential subscribers understand the value of joining your private space. That's all there is to it. With a few quick taps in Telegram Web on PC, your channel switches to private, giving you tighter control over who can participate and view content.